Hello friends, we are going to discuss a special literal which is none. The special literal none. Python has one special literal which is none. None used to indicate the absence of a value. There is no value. When you assign none to a variable, it says no value. It also indicates the end of the list in Python. List also shows the end of the list. None value in Python means there is no useful information or there is nothing here. No useful information, there is nothing. Okay, the variable which contain nothing. When you use it in when you assign a nothing to a variable and you want to display it in the interactive mode, that means the Python does not display anything when asked to display the value of the variable which contain the value as a none. This is for the interactive mode. You are assigning none to a variable and you want to display it in the interactive mode. Okay, the variable does not show anything. But in the other end, when you assign a none to a variable, when you want to use it in the print statement, the print statement shows the variable which contain the value none. Okay, we'll see the demo. So here, first I am demoing the interactive mode. So I'm assigning a value v1 equal to 10. Okay, a normal value, and I'm printing v1. It shows the value. It shows the value of the v1 in the interactive. I'm assigning a value 10, and I'm printing v1. v1 shows the value 10. Now what I'm doing, I'm assigning v2 equal to none. Okay, v2 equal to none. So this is the way. Okay, there's no need to give a double quotation. Okay, you have to give a none for the v2. Now I am trying to print trying to in the interactive mode. I am just typing the variable. Okay, but it does not show anything. So it is empty. It does not show anything. Assigning a value none, but it does not show anything in the interactive mode. So on the other hand, I am assigning a variable in the print mode. Okay, variable v3 equal to none. Okay, I am assigning it in the interactive mode, and I am using a print statement. Print. Okay, I am assigning print statement print v3. So now you will see what will happen. I am saving the program and I run the program. Now I'm getting a none as the output. Okay, for a clarity, so I'm giving the value of v3. Okay, equal to. So I'm printing v3. Okay, so print value of v3 equal to I'm printing a variable v3. So now it shows the value of v3 equal to none. So none is a value, that means that shows nothing in the variable. When you use it in the interactive mode and you want to print the value of variable, nothing will get printed. Okay, nothing will get printed. And the opposite, when you assign a none to a variable in the script mode, that means okay, you are using it in the print statement, will print v3. We'll do another experiment here. So we already assign a value none to a variable. Okay, we'll try it once again. We will try the print statement now in the interactive mode. Okay, so I'm assigning v3 equal to v2 equal to none. Okay, print v2. That shows none. When you use it in the print statement, it will show none. When you type the variable, okay, when you in the interactive mode, it won't show. For example, I'm typing a variable v2 here, it won't show anything. But when you use it in the print statement, it will show the value as a none. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment. Thank you.